Hey guys, this is Baby Snow and welcome back to my channel. So, update po ito dun sa upload ko yesterday na with regards to reinvestment, okay? So, ito yung after 15 days kung ano yung gagawin nyo, kung i-reinvest nyo ba or i-withdraw. So, meron akong maling na click doon. Actually, it's part of the development pa ng system. So, alam naman natin na we're too early for this. So, ina-explore pa natin yung back office. Okay? So, mali yung ginawa ko na reinvest. Pag-click ng reinvest, masyado tayong na-excite. So, dapat pala doon, ang i-click natin is yung capital back. Okay? Again, click yung capital back. And once na nagbalik na yung capital mo sa dashboard, doon mo pa lang siya pwedeng invest ulit. Okay? By clicking subscribe now. Alright? So, I will try to recover kung ano yung sinasabi ko. Alright, in this part guys, ayan, may reinvest. Ayan. So, ang i-click natin dito is yung capital back. Okay? So, once na-click natin yung capital back, magbabalik na siya sa balance mo. And then, tsaka mo na siya pwedeng i-resubscribe. Okay? Ang gagawin natin for resubscribe is just click yung subscribe now button. And dun ka palang mamili ulit kung ano yung plan na kukunin mo. Okay? So, that's my update guys. Kaya dun sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, make sure nakasubscribe na kayo sa channel and hit the notification bell para updated kayo lagi sa mga bago nating ina-upload na videos, especially with regards to Zendesk. Okay? So, thank you so much sa mga new subscribers and mag-upload tayo ng maraming tutorials with Zendesk. So, yep, like and share. And make sure dun sa mga in-invite nyo ay ibigay nyo muna yung referral links nyo sa kanila para makapag-sign up na sila. And then you can feel free to share this video. Alright, so again, this is Baby Snow. Happy earnings everyone. Bye-bye.